In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set shipping rates on Big Cartel. We'll walk through this entire process in just about 5 minutes, making it both quick and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Big Cartel. This is your starting point on the journey to configure your store's shipping options. Once you've found the Big Cartel website, make sure to log in using your credentials. If you're new to Big Cartel, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, the sign-up process is user-friendly and designed to get you up and running in no time. Now that you're logged in, navigate over to the Products section within your Big Cartel admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens, as all product-related changes are managed from here. Once you're in the Products section, you have two options. You can either add a new product or select an existing one to edit it. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's go ahead and click on an existing product. In the product details, you'll want to look for an option to add shipping. This is usually a button or link labeled distinctly as Add Shipping. This is a critical step, so ensure you click on the right option to proceed to the shipping settings. At this point, it's time to set your shipping rates. You'll notice there are two key fields, shipping alone and with others cost. Shipping alone denotes the cost to ship this item if it's purchased by itself, while with others is the rate when it's shipped with multiple items. Be sure to consider factors such as weight, size, and destination when setting these rates. An intuitive approach to these costs can enhance customer experience and potentially improve your store's conversion rates. Once you've set these rates for your product, you'll want to repeat the process for as many countries as needed. Big Cartel allows you to specify individual shipping rates for different regions, which is particularly beneficial if you have an international customer base. Make sure each rate aligns with the unique shipping logistics and costs associated with that country. When all necessary rates are configured, remember to tap Save. This ensures that all your changes are stored, and your storefront now reflects the shipping rates you've set. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to setting up shipping rates on Big Cartel. Always double-check your settings before exiting to ensure everything is accurately configured. As you continue to grow and evolve your online store, revisiting these settings can help keep things optimized for both your needs and those of your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to leave your comments or questions below.